नोव्हेंबर 2013तल्या तेहलका जर्नलिस्ट रेप केशीत आरोपी तरुण तेजपालाच्या अर्जाचेर मंगळारा हायकोर्टात सुनावणी जाली। ह्या प्रकरणात हॉटेलाची सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज आणि पीडित चलयेन दिल्ल्या स्टेटमेंटाचो मेळ बसना म्हूण तेजपालाच्या आदवोगादान युक्तिवाद केलो।
The CCTV is clinching because as far as the statement is concerned, everyone is talking about the statement of 164 and our earlier complaints. And to see the statement compared to the CCTV, fortunately it is there. It is contemporaneous evidence, more or less simultaneously with the incident. That nails the lie of the prosecutrix. Now, the prosecutrix, therefore, when she made that particular statement, knew that what she was saying was incorrect, was completely untrue, was contrary to record. And yet, despite the investigating officer knowing of this particular fact, he did not verify this matter, nor investigate it, nor inquire into it. And
पीडित चलयेच्या दबावाक लागून तेजपालान माफीनामो दिलो असो दावो तेजपालाच्या आदवोगादान केलो। तपास अधिकाऱ्यांनी ह्या कथीत प्रकरणा वेळार हजर आशिल्ल्या दोगांची नांवां विटनेस म्हूण घेवंक ना अशें सांगून तेजपालान तपासांतली कुतां काडल्यात।
as far as the apology is concerned, what the apology is an admission of a wrongdoing, but the apology as it stands has got nothing to do with the case as has been made out against Mr. Tejpal, and that's what I pointed out, that the so-called informal apology was of a different event altogether than the prosecution which he is being made to face. And so as the formal apology is concerned, the formal apology was not voluntary. It was something which was coerced because this was a term which the prosecutrix had imposed and in an email had set out conditions which he wanted, and it was this which was mandated to Shoma Chaudhary.
सुप्रीम कोर्टान आदल्या ऑर्डरीत पहिल्या साक्षीदाराचो जबाब घेवन तेजपालाची ट्रायल घेवची म्हूण सांगिल्ले। तशेंच 9 जानेवारी सावन ट्रायल घेवंक सुरवात करची म्हूण ट्रायल कोर्टाक निर्देशूय दिल्ले। ताका लागून तेजपालाच्या ह्या अर्जाक अर्थ उरना म्हूण सरकारी आदवोगादान आर्ग्युमेंट घालो। ट्रायली वेळार पीडित चली येतली त्या वेळार बचाव पक्षाक तिच्या स्टेटमेंटाची सत्यता तपासूंक मेळटली। ह्या मुद्द्या खातीर पुराय ट्रायल रद्द करप बरोबर न्ही असो दावोय सरकारी आदवोगादान केलो। दोनूय पार्टींचो आर्ग्युमेंट आयकल्या उपरांत हायकोर्टान निकाल राखून दवरलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।